Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to voice over in Canva. Adding a voiceover in Canva is super easy. Open your Canva application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Now, go ahead and open up a video design where you want to add voiceover on. I'm just gonna open up this project over here. In order to add voiceover, go to the bottom of the screen and swipe all the way towards the right, and you will then be able to see the voiceover option. Tap on it and then enter the script for your voiceover inside the script tab. Type in your script in the text box, and then after typing down your script, you can then go ahead and choose your speaker. Go to the speaker drop-down and select the voiceover option from the list. You can choose female voice or male voice according to your preference. And then, under Style, select the style for your voiceover. Now, before generating the audio or your voiceover, you can play the sample by tapping on the Play Sample button. After you are done with hearing your voiceover, tap on Generate Audio. You will then be able to create a voiceover, and it will then be uploaded to your design. Now you can increase or decrease the length of your voiceover, or simply drag it along the screen and place it on a desired location where you want the voiceover to be narrated. After you are done, you can sync in the recording in Canva simply by dragging it along the edges and then placing it on a desired location, and that's how you will be able to create a voiceover for a video. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.